So I got a CN Freight here at the Victoria Bridge, heading into the city. Is it on the front track as well? Maybe it is. I don't know. I think on the near track. Cool. It's not often I get trains on the Victoria Bridge over here. Another tanker train, looks like. It's heading westbound. So the Victoria Bridge here is one of the oldest bridges in Quebec. The largest bridge, first over the St Lawrence River in the 1850s, was a tubular bridge, but the trains outgrew it, so now they have a newer truss span bridge. This is one of the most beautiful bridges. This is so cool. Look at this. Oh, I love it. It's April 16th, 2024 today. And we got cars heading towards the South Shore there in the foreground. And there's another lane. There's another lanes on the other side of the train here. Used to be for the tramway system that went from Montreal to Granby. That, of course, has been torn up now, that interurban. It used to be the Montreal and Southern Counties Railway. Yes, that's right. Over here, that's the first span here actually used to span the river, but then they filled it in and put this highway here, which they will be eventually fixing it up into urban boulevard. A little bit windy today. Hopefully it doesn't ruin this video. Don't come here very often. Sounds like a DPU coming. Oh, it's a commuter train, I think. Yeah, it's a commuter train. So there's 2 trains on this bridge. It's a 2-for-1 video. That's amazing. I've never seen 2 trains passing on this bridge before. Cool. It's a beautiful truss bridge. They don't make them like this anymore. And that's the end of the train right there. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day. No ram coming? Guess not. There's the ram tracks right there.